And this one has been like this for quite a while. You see all the boulders right at the top, and it used to be sort of Blackpool Rock, sort of 50% closing down, one of the signs say. But this one has been like it for as long as I can remember. The scaffolding up and it's just been left. And you can see it's a little bit wonky, so to say. Yeah, I wonder what that will be and how long before they renovate this one. Yeah, so it's got cameras on the front and back. It's like a camera's 360 all the way around. And like I said, is that just a one-off, or is it a bit more to it? And these are a thing of the future. And welcome back to our brand new video. So today was two things we're going to have a bit of a look at. The first one, there's been reports that people have been graffitiing just along near the tower on the sea wall, which is it's disgusting, I think. You know, because they don't want to sort of ruin the landscape and things. So we're going to have a quick look. So the council was busy working away, trying to get that off. So we're going to have a look, see if it's still there, and or if the council have completely removed it. And the second one is a bit of a strange one. So we'll have a look after that when we've been and had a look at the promenade and see if this graffiti is gone or if it's still there. So yeah, come and join me on this bit of a walk around. So we're just going to start this video off before heading into the town promenade area near the Metropole, because you can see they've got all the scaffolding up and there's actually a lot of work being carried out on this one. So I wonder how long this project is going on for. So it's a bit of an interesting one. You can see the tower just in the distance as well. So yeah, we're going to continue walking and have a look, see if we can see this graffiti, what's being reported. So it looks like there's a load of these railings, sort of fencing. So I wonder what that's in aid of. And that's just near the North Pier. So you can see that's a fresh delivery, and that won't be for the fireworks. I wonder if there's an event on the weekend. I'll see if I can find out. Pop that in the description if there is. So yeah, we just walked all the way from North Pier all the way down past the tower. And it looks like there's no graffiti on these walls, just like people have been sort of scraping them and carving the names and things, but the graffiti is gone. So it looks like the council has removed that. So what I'll do, I'll pop a picture in now, and you can see that there was graffiti just near the tower, but now it looks like it's gone for now. So I just arrived near the comedy carpet, and you can see there's a few handful of people around, and you hear the sirens in the distance going probably to an emergency. But yeah, the comedy carpet and Blackpool doesn't look too bad. And what horrible weather we had yesterday. It's awful. You see the ambulance there. So this is always a famous spot. Everyone takes the pictures, and the Blackpool Tower all lights up, and that's a fantastic one in the evening. You have the music, all sorts playing. So yeah, what we're going to do is head on to the next little thing I want to show you. It's a bit of an interesting one. So all I can say is, are these what I'm about to show you going to be coming to Blackpool? Or is it just a one-off? So yeah, as Blackpool is at the moment, it's busy, but it's not busy. I'm sure in a few hours, when the sun goes down on a Friday night, it will spring back into life. So as we move a little bit more forward towards North Pier, where we started from, you can see Papa's Fish and Chips. They've still got the there's scaffolding up, and that's been up for quite a while. So I'm not too sure exactly what's going on with that building. You know, if it's just painting or what they're doing, but that's been up for months and months. And they did have a bit of a fire in the kitchen, and I did make a video of that. There was all sorts of emergency services was down this way. They had the crane on top. If you haven't seen that video, I'll pop a link in the description. Go and watch that one. But yeah, that was closed for a good couple of weeks with the fire what broke out. And this one's at North Pier, as a lot of people already know. And this is the oldest pier in Blackpool. And look, they've been actually doing quite a lot of work to this, replacing a lot of the boards, which I'll show you momentarily. But yeah, this has been going on for some time, and they hold all sorts of events on here. And it's a really nice Victorian pier. It's one of the best, I think, out of all three. So yeah, as we're approaching the end of the North Pier, I'll just show you all the work, what's been carried out. Well, not show you the work, but like some of the rubbish, what has been taken out, because this has been going on for many months. In fact, they probably emptied the skip. Yeah, so they emptied the skip. So normally this one is full up with broken boards, rotten boards, and all sorts. And there we go. I think there's just a few around there. You can see. Let's just have a quick look through the netting. You see, that's just some of the pier, some of the floorboards where they've been replacing them. And there's a little shop just over there. It's called Jessie's. However, it's not called Jessie's. We did speak to the owners about 6 weeks ago. It's called Auntie T's now, and they do all sorts of like dishes, spicy things, all things like that. And they did say they're changing the sign, but as at the moment they haven't changed it. And yeah, what do you think of that one? Have you tried that one? So it's probably all been blocked by that car, but yeah, they did say they're going to change the sign, and as of yet, it's still to be changed. So we're just walking next to the Metropole now. You can see all these Scotty's Got It and Bee's Knees, the new not new nightclub, but it's been there for a while. And we've got a few. What's is gone? We got looks like Happy Jack's. That's been got at. And that's been sort of empty as long as I know. And there's a shop next to it. I'm not too sure what that used to be. We've got Fresh Bites. That's another one. What's gone? So there's quite a few along this strip. What's closed its doors, but however, the old Woodies is now the Kelly's Irish Bar. Now looks possibly to be open now. And yeah, that's the latest one. They've got pool, darts, they've got all sort of live sports. So that's the new Kelly's Irish Bar. So yeah, there's a few. There's another one just on the corner there. What's closed its doors, but there's a few. I'll just pan the camera around to the right, and you can see how many along this little strip is closed up and boarded up. You see, just down the distance, we've got the racing car track, and they're sometimes open for private hire. I'm not too sure if it's for public, but yeah, that's the car track, and that in the past has been flooded. I remember probably before my time. I'll find out the exact year, but that was completely flooded, that one. And you see the cabins. I'm not too sure when the lift is going to be, or if it's going to be ever operational again. Like I said, to see the cabin in North Shore. So the reason I brought you up here is because Blackpool 360 found something out very interesting. So we're going to have a bit of a look and just see exactly what he found out. So this is the Genting Casino, and like I said, courtesy of Blackpool 360. I'll pop his link in the description. Go and check his channel out and his videos, because he said he's like a robocar. So what is this? Let's have a bit of a closer look. Is this coming to Blackpool, or is this just a one-off? And like I said, this is in the Genting Casino. It's all fenced off, but yeah, look at this. How about this? It's like a, yeah, there's all sorts of cameras and everything. I'll zoom in a little bit. And how about that one? That's certainly spied on there. That's by police secured by design security systems in operation. So yeah, what an interesting one that is. Is this coming to Blackpool? Yeah, so it's got cameras on the front and back. It's like a camera's 360 all the way around. And like I said, is that just a one-off, or is it a bit more to it? And these are a thing of the future. Let me know in the comments. So yeah, just look at these. So there's two next to each other. Looks like they both need a lot of work and they've been boarded up. But just look at the front of this one. You see, it's like it's like driftwood or something, but it's all done in that sort of lovely wood on the front. How magnificent does that one look? So this house belonged to David Thewlis, according to a local resident who I just spoke to. So that's a very interesting one. So I'll pop a link in the description of exactly who he is. But he was born in Blackpool and this house belonged to him. So very, very interesting. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, take care. If you haven't already subscribed and you do like the content, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give the video a like. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.